Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and guess what I got in my hands? The Palm phone. Yes, this thing right here. It is tiny. Let me tell you, it is so tiny. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and let's go ahead and just kick around the tires and see what we can see on this little Palm device. Yeah, this thing is like just ridiculously tiny. I don't know. We'll see. Okay guys, so here we are with the Palm phone right here. So this thing does have a USB Type-C charger right there. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of plug this back in for the lady because I told her I would after I got my shot. You got your microphone down there. I don't even know if this thing has a speaker or not because I don't even see it. I'm assuming it does have some type of speaker on it. So you got a microphone at the bottom, microphone at the top. You do have your camera right there. I don't have the specs of this thing, but I do want to just emphasize how just ridiculously tiny this thing is. Let's go ahead and put this thing to a, this is my E5 Super, which I can't even get into the shot right now, to be honest with you guys, because of how small this thing is. So yeah, that's that. Let's go ahead and go with the New Mobile G3 Plus. So as you guys can see, this thing is absolutely a dwarf compared to any just modern type of smartphone. I don't know if this thing is going to be worth your time or your money, but I mean, for those of you that just want to have something like Uber small in your pocket and not have to carry around a big phone, which I don't know, phones are just kind of not getting as big. They're kind of, you know, with the screens, how they're expanding and the bezels are shrinking. You're not going to have a big old clunky phone in your pocket anymore anyways. So I don't know what the appeal about this phone is, but I'm sure they have a market and they're targeting their certain market with this Palm phone. And as you can see, it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 435, which does not want to focus. Okay. And it has featuring 4G LTE, processor featuring 4G LTE. So let's just go ahead and just kind of take a quick peek at what's going on here in the background. So it's a lot of caller ID. So if you want to just do Uber, YouTube, Play Store, looks like everything's just all in one screen. Unnamed right here. Looks like you can go back. You got your Duo, you got your camera right there. So this feels more like a smartwatch than it does an actual phone itself. Let's go ahead and put that right there so you guys can see. So the back camera right there. This just more feels like a smartwatch or some kind of like, I guess, Palm device, I guess you could say. So they did nail that kind of feel out of the park right there. What's that? So that's the front camera right there. Let me go ahead and block that light right there. There's another light right there. So anyways, that's the front. That's the front of the camera right there. The bezels are just ginormous on this phone as well. So I don't know, man. Well, either way, guys, I'm not really gonna take too much more of your time on this one. Just really wanted to make a size comparison with you guys. I'm gonna pull out my vape. Let's see how, dude, my vape is bigger than this thing. Yo, my vape is bigger than this thing. But anyways, that is the Palm phone right there, powered with Qualcomm processor. So shout out to Qualcomm for having a beautiful, let me tell you guys, Qualcomm has a beautiful display here, guys, and they have all types of phones. You don't have to go searching the whole place just to find some of their products. So like that, Qualcomm booth definitely is an awesome booth here at CES. So all right guys, take care. Go ahead and don't forget to leave that like, and yeah, see ya.